Good morning everyone. Today we are starting with unit 4, cube and cube roots. Okay. Before we'll start with the exercise, let us go through the basics of the chapter. Starting from the cube numbers, or you can say the perfect cubes. Definition you can write from here. Cubes of the natural numbers are called the cube numbers or the perfect cubes. But what exactly the cube is? Cube is like if I want to find out the cube of number 2. Cube itself means 3 times. So we have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 and you will get 8 as your answer. Similarly, if I'll want to do it for 4. So 4 raised to the power 3 is read as 4 cube. So that means 4 will be multiplied thrice. 4 into 4 into 4. You will get your answer as 64. Okay. Similarly for 9. 9 to the power 3. 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9 gives you 729. So basically 729 is the cube of number 9. Okay. And you can read here also 125 is the cube of number 5. So when you'll start with the chapter, you'll write the heading cube and cube roots. Do it in your maths 2. Write this definition. Further, you can take any 3 examples. Like I have take 2, 4 and 9. You can take these also. And accordingly, you can choose as your wish. Okay. Let's move to the next. Properties of the cube numbers. Properties of the cubes of the natural numbers on page number 78. So right from here, the very first property is that cubes of the odd numbers are odd and the cubes of the even numbers are even. Suppose I'll take an odd number 3. 3 का cube क्या होता है? 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. And you can see that इसका cube भी क्या है? Odd ही है. Okay. And consider any even number. Let's suppose we are taking 2. So the cube of 2 gives you 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. And you can see that its cube is also even number. So that means the cube of odd numbers are odd and the cube of even numbers are even. So write this and take any 2 examples. Fine. Moving to the property 2. It says if a number has 1, 4, 5 and 6 in the unit place. Unit place means if I'll write a number 428, then 8 is the unit place. Ones, tens, 100 हम place value करते हैं. तो your ones place is the unit place only. So the property says if a number has 1, 4, 5 or 6 in the unit place, then it cubes ends with the same digit. तो इनके cubes भी 1, 4, 5, 6 और 9 पर ही end करेंगी. You can do it also. And if a number has 2 in the unit place, then it cubes ends with 2. अभी हमने करा भी था 2 का cube क्या होता है 8. If a number has 8 in the unit place, अगर last digit 8 होगा, like I have taken this number, तो when you will do its cube, it will come out in the form of unit digit as 2. सिर्फ unit digit 2 होगा. That doesn't mean इसका answer ही 2 है. Okay, so you can compare 2 का 8 आएगा और 8 का 2. Similarly, if a number has 3 in the unit place, अगर लास्ट डिजिट आपकी 3 होगी तो क्यूब की लास्ट डिजिट 7 होगी. एंड इफ नंबर की लास्ट डिजिट 7 होगी देन इट्स क्यूब्स एंड्स इन 3. वाइज वर्सा 3 का 7 एंड 7 का 3. नाउ यू आर लेफ्ट विद ओनली डिजिट 0 एंड इफ देयर इज 0 इन द यूनिट प्लेस देन इट्स क्यूब्स ऑल्सो एंड्स विद 0. So this is your property number 2. In this property number 2 you have to write all the 6 points 1 2 3 4 5 6 in your notebook. Okay, now the third, this is not a property, just a basic rule that the cube of a negative integer is always negative. Because suppose I'm taking minus 8, I want to find out the cube. I'll write minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8. 2 माइनस साइन तो हमेशा कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, बट 1 इज ऑलवेज लेफ्ट. दैट मीन्स आंसर में भी नेगेटिव आएगा. सो इस लाइन का यही मतलब है दैट क्यूब ऑफ अ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. दैट मीन्स दिस आंसर इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. ओके, Moving to exercise 4.1 now. This is all about the basics of the chapter. Make sure you will write all these basics in your notebook. Moving to question number 1. Consider this as your homework and do it in the book itself. No need to do it in the notebook. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, show that each of the following number is a perfect cube. We have to show that these are the perfect cubes and also find the number whose cube is the given number. I'll explain you what they are trying to ask you in the question. So I'm starting with the second part. Second part is 5, 8, 3, 2. Okay, 5, 8, 3, 2. So let's start. 5, 8, 3, 2. You need to do the cube. You have to find out the number of this cube. So you'll do the prime factorization for it. You have to do the prime factorization. This is your exercise 4.1, question number 2. Do the prime factorization. It is going by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 2 6s are 12. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 left, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. Further, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 9s are 18. Okay, now check out ये किससे जा रहा है. 3 2s are 6, 1 left, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Further, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. See, it is divisible completely. So check out 5, 8, 3, 2. The first question was show that it is a perfect cube and we have shown it. How? See, the prime factorization of this is 2 into 2 into 2. Further, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. In cube roots, we make the pair of 3. क्योंकि cube है ना, cube means 3. We'll make the pair of 3. 3, 3, 3 and that should be of the same number. ऐसे नहीं कि 2 का 3 के साथ बना दिया. This should be of same number. और आप देख रहे हो सबका पेयर बन गया. That means yes, 5 8 3 2 is a 5 8 3 2 is a perfect cube. Now the second question is वो किस नंबर का क्यूब है, तो वो हमें यहाँ से पता चलेगा. 5 8 3 2 दैट मीन्स हमें इसका क्यूब रूट निकालना है. सो दिस इज द सिंबल फॉर क्यूब रूट. ये स्क्वायर रूट का होता है. इसके ऊपर अगर हम 3 लिख देते हैं, दिस इज द सिंबल फॉर क्यूब रूट. आंसर 2 का पेयर बना था, सो 2, आफ्टर दैट 3, then 3, one more pair of 3 is there, so I'll write one more time. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. That means this is the what? This is the cube of 18. Your number 18. अगर आप 18 को 3 times multiply करोगे, 18 into 18 into 18, you will get your answer as 5832. I hope I am clear to you about this question. Okay. Moving to the next number, I'm taking the third part of the same question. 1 3 8 2 4. Okay, 1 3 8 2 4. Let's start the prime factorization. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 left, 2 5s are 10, 1 left, 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2, 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Further, 2 8s are 16, 1 left, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Further, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now this is going by 6. No, sorry. Do it by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 8s are 24. Again, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. This is about the prime factorization of 1 3 8 2 4. So let's write 1 3 8 2 4 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. Further, 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 into 3 into 3 and one more time, 2 into 2 into 2. I have written all these numbers. Okay, now make the pair. 2 ka pair, this is also 2 pair of 2, this is pair of 3, and this is a pair of 2. You can see the no number is left, all are paired now. That shows that yes, 1 3 8 2 4 is a perfect cube. Okay, now they are asking for किस number का perfect cube है. So I'll find out the cube root. 1 3 8 2 4. Put the 3 here, sign of cube root. 3 pairs of 2 are there, so I'll write 2 3 times, and 1 pair of 3 is there, so I'll write 3 1 time. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 into 3 gives you 24. That means 1 3 8 8 to 4 is the cube of 24. If you will multiply 24 3 times, you are getting 13824 as your answer. Okay, I hope I am clear to you. 2 parts I have done for you, second and third. Make sure first part and third part you will do it yourself. So first and third part is your homework. I am moving to your next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Question का मतलब क्या है कि हमें कौन से छोटे से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें so that आपको जो ये numbers given हैं they become a perfect cube. That clearly intimates that the given numbers are not the perfect ones now. We have to make it a perfect cube. So how we will do this? I'm starting with the second part. The second part is 3072. So first we'll do the prime factorization. Do it. It is going by 3. 3 1s are 3, 0. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. No, now this is going by 2. It is not divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4. Again, 2 2s are 4. 1 left, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4, further 2 1s are 2. So this is about the prime factorization of 3072. Do a thing, start making the pair here only. एक पेयर बन गया 2 का, एक और पेयर बन गया 2 का, एक और पेयर बन गया 2 का. बट नाउ वी कैन सी एक तो ये 3 रह गया जिसका पेयर नहीं बना, एंड 1 नंबर लेफ्ट इज 2. दैट मीन्स जो ये 3 और 2 रह गए हैं दे आर नॉट कमिंग इन द परफेक्ट क्यूब. तो हमें इनका क्यूब बनाना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स इस 3 को क्यूब बनाने के लिए मुझे 2 3 और मल्टीप्लाई करने पड़ेंगे so that it becomes a perfect pair. And similarly for this 2, I have to multiply 2 more times again so that it makes a pair of 2. So what I have multiplied? I have multiplied 3 2 times and 2 2 times. I'll repeat again. 3 और 2 बच गए थे जिनका पेयर नहीं है. 3 और 2 बच गए थे जिनका पेयर नहीं है. तो 3 का पेयर बनाने के लिए मुझे 2 बार 3 मल्टीप्लाई करने पड़ेंगे विच आई हैव रिटन हेयर. एंड ऐसे 2 का पेयर बनाने के लिए आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 टाइम्स विच आई हैव रिटन हेयर. सो इन टोटल व्हाट आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 9 36. So in total what I have multiplied 36. That means I need to write that 3072 must be multiplied by 36. हमें इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा so that it becomes a perfect cube. Okay, so this was just for the rough space. Your answer is this. Okay, moving to the fourth I'm doing fourth part. 19652. Start doing the prime factorization. 19652. As I can see 2 at the unit place, so I'll start dividing it by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 1s are 2 and 3. Check out whether this is going by 3 or not. 3 1s are 3. Hold on. Let us start dividing. 3 1s are 3. You're left with 19. 3 9s are 27. You're left with 3 6 are 18. Then you are left with 1. 11. 3 3s are 9 and 23. This is not divisible. Check out by the table of 7. 7 also it is not divisible. Okay, I suggest you to divide it using different prime numbers, and it will go, whatever is left, that will be considered as your answer. Like suppose if I left here with a pair of 7, I have 7 2 times and I have to multiply it by once, then it would be 7 would be the answer. Check it out yourself once, otherwise I'll discuss it in the next video. By the time I'm discussing first part of the same question, 243. This we can easily see that it is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Further 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now make the pair. Here I can see एक pair तो 3 का बन गया. Now I left with 2 3. In order to make a pair of this, I have to multiply it by 3. So what I have multiplied myself is just 3. That means I need to write 243 must be multiplied by 3 to become a perfect cube. Okay. I hope the two questions are clear to you, second and third. Otherwise, we have just discussed the basics today. So, in this only second and fourth part is left. Third and fourth part. Third part also I'll discuss in the next video. So, make sure you do fourth one yourself. And this was the fourth part, This fourth part I'll discuss. This I'll discuss in the next video, fourth part. Third part, do it yourself. So it is your homework. So you have to start with the fourth chapter today in the Maths 2. Starting from the basics, you will write the basics first and then the properties of the cubes, and then you will start exercise 4.1. First question to be done in the book itself, and the second and third you are going to do it in the notebook. Further we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.